In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the text color on scroll in Wix Studio. If you've ever wanted your headings to subtly shift color as visitors move down the page, this quick setup will give you that polished professional feel. We'll keep it simple and stick to 3 parts: selecting the text you want to animate, adding a scroll interaction, and setting up the color change on the timeline. First, open your site in Wix Studio by heading to wix.com/studio and launching the editor for the site you want to adjust. Once the editor is open, click the text element you want to affect. Make sure you have the actual text selected, not its container, so the interaction applies exactly where you expect. You should see the elements options appear in the interface. Next, with the text still selected, go to Interactions, choose Add Scroll Effect, then select Custom. A custom scroll effect means the animation will be driven directly by the visitor's scroll position, so the change feels responsive and tied to how they move through the page. This keeps the effect smooth and avoids the on-off feeling you get from simple reveal animations. Now it's time to use the animation timeline. Open the timeline panel so you can see the percentage-based progress bar. At the very start, at 0%, leave the original text color as it is. That starting state acts as your first keyframe, then move the playhead to somewhere around the midpoint of the scroll, typically between 40 and 60%. This range works well because it gives the eye time to notice the transition without feeling abrupt. With the playhead parked there, go to the inspector panel and change the text color to the new shade you want. As soon as you update the color, Wix automatically creates a new keyframe at that position on the timeline. Keyframes are simply snapshots of style at specific scroll percentages, and the system blends between them to create a smooth gradient of change. From here, your text will smoothly transition from the original color at the top toward the new color as the visitor scrolls past the midpoint. If readability is a concern, choose colors with strong contrast against the background and avoid extremely light shades on light sections. Subtle changes often look more refined than harsh jumps. And remember, the exact percentage is flexible. You can nudge it slightly until the timing feels right for your layout. That's all it takes. Select the text, add a custom scroll interaction, and set the color shift on the timeline. You now have a clean, scroll-responsive text color change ready to enhance your page.